In the fast-paced world of technology, Mac users are always looking for ways to get more done and get the most out of their gadgets. Whether you're a student, a worker, or a business owner, making the most of your Mac can make you much more productive. We'll look at 6 carefully chosen tips that will help you get more done on your Mac in this video. Macs are known for having powerful features and an easy-to-use design. However, even the most skilled Mac users can have trouble getting things done sometimes. Here are 6 tips that were put together to help you get the most out of your Mac and get more done. 1. Spotlight lets you find files and do other things. You can use Spotlight to find files, open apps, and even do math. Apple has improved Spotlight in macOS Ventura so that it can now look for text and images, places where you took photos, and more. You can use Spotlight by pressing SEMD plus space or clicking the magnifying glass button in the menu bar. Type in what you want to find and hit the return key. Spotlight should give you a long list of results with files, links, pictures, and other things. To see what something looks like before you click on it, select it in the search results list and press space. This will show a preview of what you selected. 2. Using hot corners. Moving your mouse to one of the 4 corners of your screen will start certain activities with hot corners. You can set up a hot corner to do things like turn on your screensaver or show your workspace. Go to System Preferences greater than Desktop and Screensaver greater than Hot Corners to set up hot corners. 3. Use the search feature in Spotlight. It is easy to find files, apps, and contacts with Spotlight Search, which is a powerful tool. To open Spotlight, just press Command plus space. Then type in your search word. Spotlight will show you a list of results that match, and you can see what the files look like before you open them. 4. Finder and other apps let you use tabs. With tabs, you can work on more than one file or window at once without making your screen too crowded. Tabs work in Finder, Safari, and a lot of other Mac apps. Just click on the plus sign in the upper right part of the window to open a new tab. 5. Automation tool for repeated tasks. Automator is a powerful but little-known Mac tool that lets you do repetitive jobs automatically. Automator can save you time and effort when you rename a bunch of files at once, change the size of images, or make your own processes. You should spend some time learning about what it can do and making automations that fit your needs. You can then focus on more important parts of your work while your Mac takes care of the boring stuff. 6. Use apps that can save you time. There are many apps in the Mac App Store that are meant to help you get more done. There are apps for everything, from getting things done to taking notes. Check out these apps to see which ones work best for you, and then make them a part of your daily life. It's easy to stay busy whether you're at your desk or on the go with many of these apps because they sync across devices. That's all for the video today. I hope you liked our video. If you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.